My dear doctors, welcome to 𝗲𝗵𝗺. We are in the 11th class of our skin, soft tissue and musculoskeletal system infections, and it's the moment for proud for all of us that we are the pioneers to teach you microbiology as per the new curriculum of CBME, that is system-wise microbiology. In class 11th, we are going to discuss the superficial fungus, and the very important superficial fungus is the Pityriasis and Malassezia. My dear little children, I want to clear a very important thing. Please understand that Pityriasis is the name of disease. Pityriasis is the name of disease and it is a fungal disease, whereas Tinea solium or Tinea saginata are the organism. They are also responsible for causing the disease called as Pityriasis, and this Pityriasis, my dear friends, is a parasitic disease, right? And because their larva is 𝗲𝗵𝗵𝗺, this Pityriasis is also called as 𝗲𝗵𝗵𝗺. First of all, be clear with this story. Pityriasis means the infection which is happening. You have to check if it is a parasitic infection. It is caused by Tinea solium, Tinea saginata, whereas if it is a fungal infection, it is not caused by Tinea, it is caused by some other organisms. And because we are starting right now we are starting with Malassezia, so we will discuss the Malassezia infection now. This Pityriasis caused by Malassezia is called as Tinea versicolor. So coming on to superficial mycosis, Tinea versicolor, also called as Pityriasis versicolor. So there are different type of mycosis, and in order to know the classification, please go to the general microbiology, go to the class number 6th, part 2nd, check out the classifications of fungus. These are very important, and one of the classification is superficial mycosis. That means only superficially on the body. The name of the disease is Pityriasis, and this Pityriasis is caused by the disease is Tinea versicolor. I am repeating, the disease is Tinea versicolor. It is caused by Malassezia furfur and Malassezia globosum. Okay, please understand, my dear friends. Tinea versicolor or Pityriasis versicolor is same as Pityriasis. Actually not the Pityriasis. You should know that these are the names of diseases. These are diseases. These are not organisms. The organism is Malassezia furfur or Malassezia globosum. Now we will take this word ahead, furfur. So fur, you know, it is, fur means what? Fur means being very light. Fur means being very light, soft texture. Everybody loves that. Yes, everybody loves that or not? Yes, everybody loves that. Love the fur, right? The furry one, you know, the light clothes, the light texture, right? Supposedly, now I'm just making a story. Okay, so what I did, so okay, let me bring in my cat here. She is my cat with the beautiful tail. Okay, so it is a beautiful cat with very light fur, and I love my cat. So what I do, I daily do her oil massage. Okay, so I daily do what? Oil massage I daily do for her. Okay, so which oil I'm using? Olive oil I'm using. Okay, right? And my cat is of white color, so I'm having which color cat? White color cat. Okay, right? So I'm having which color cat? White color cat. Okay, So this is a cute little story, furry cat. Okay. So furry cat means Malassezia furfur, Malassezia 𝗶𝗶𝗃. I love my cat. Love means philic. So it is a lipophilic fungus which grows in the olive oil. This is what I wanted to tell you. That Malassezia furfur. Now it's not my cat. It is the Malassezia furfur of which I am talking about. That it is a lipophilic fungus. It loves lipids. That is why, because it loves lipids, it is going to grow in the olive oil. Lipid loving. Okay. Lipid loving. That means it is going to grow in the olive oil. Right. So which is the agar in which it grows? It grows in the Seborrhoeids agar, which is overlaid with the olive oil. Okay, Seborrhoeids dextrose agar or Seborrhoeids agar. This also I have discussed in the second part of the 6th video of general microbiology, that is general mycology. Please go and watch it. Okay. The clinical feature is it causes hypopigmented skin lesion. I told you now my cat is of white color, so hypopigmented. So it causes what? Hypopigmented skin lesions. So what was the culture media? Seborrhoeids dextrose agar. What is the pH? It is 5.4. Okay. What is the serology? ELISA PCR. And how will you do the skin test? Remember, histoplasmin skin test and Candin test are the two tests which we perform in the Malassezia furfur. Okay, you got it? So Malassezia furfur. So I used to write like this: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay. So F for what? F for furfur. C for Candin. H for histoplasma or histoplasmin. So this becomes a triangle. So this is how you can remember that histoplasmin skin test, Candin test we do for furfur. And these are the hypopigmented skin lesions which are formed by, or which are done by what? The Malassezia furfur. So remember, these are caused by Malassezia furfur, whereas the disease is Tinea versicolor. Okay, you got it? Yes. So diagnosis is made by, yes, of course, the Seborrhoeids dextrose agar, but because it is a fungal infection, we take the potassium hydroxide preparation, and obviously both hyphae and yeast will be seen, and the pattern is called as spaghetti meatball appearance. The pattern is called as spaghetti meatball appearance. Okay, so just like this is the spaghetti, okay, and there will be the meatball which is there. So meatball is actually the ball, that is the yeast form, whereas the spaghetti is just like long one, hyphae. Okay, so spaghetti meatball appearance is something that is shown by the Malassezia furfur. Okay, so what will you give in the treatment? So the topical antifungal creams can be given in the treatment, just like, yes, topical ketoconazole you can apply. Right. So this was about the very important topic, that is the superficial mycosis. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that after watching this and after watching microbiology from our sessions, you are also light like as the Malassezia furfur and have no load of this beautiful subject of microbiology. God bless you and see you in the next video.